Hello guys, you are most welcome in my class. This is shorthand class number 4. You are watching me in my channel Study Joshi. Today I will tell you about vowel E, and I already explained you about vowel A. We use a heavy dot for vowel A and we use light dot for vowel E. Okay, you can differentiate between both of these. Please make sure you have learned all the vowel. Here are some words which we can write in shorthand. Let's start. How we write TED, bet, okay, age, edge, date, and that. These are some words. TED. Here is E sound. Okay, E. We can put a light dot for E. Bet, also E sound. Bed, also have E sound. Bet, also E sound. Age, but here A shows A sound. Age, okay. Edge has E sound. Date has A sound, and that has E sound. Okay, let's start. You can easily write T and D strokes. This is T and this is D. T, D. We have merged both of them. We have to place E vowel after T. We have to place E vowel after E after T. This is T. This is T. Okay. This is E vowel. T, TED. This is B. This is T. And E vowel. Bet. B, D, E vowel. Mistake. I wrote 2 times bet. So we can replace B by J. So in place of this bet we can use jet. How we can write jet? Okay. This is J. This is T. Okay. J. A sound means E sound. Okay. Jet. Here is age. This is not E vowel. This is A vowel. Age. So first we have to put a J stroke and A vowel. Okay. This is edge. They both have same stroke. There is difference in vowel. We present here a light dot vowel. If you have to write date, you can write easily D and T. This is A. Dark dot. This is date. I already told you about that, how to write that. This is D. This is T and E sound vowel. Okay, this is called that. Here is B silent word. We didn't pronounce B here, so this is called that. So let's start again. T, E, D, TED, T, D, E vowel, TED. Let's make them again. This is D, T, E, B, E, bet, 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 bet. Okay. B, D, bed, bed, bed. This is jet. J, T, jet, J, T, jet, J, T, jet. Okay. This is J. This is A. Age. Please write it from right to left downward. Okay. That. Don't write it in the upward direction. Write in downward direction. Don't write it like this. Write always in downward direction. Okay. This is edge. This edge. This is edge. This edge. Date. Is a vowel. That D, T, E vowel. That D, T, E vowel. That. Okay. Today I also told you about some short form. Somewhere we use short forms in shorthand. We can easily read a big sentence in short form. So let's start some short forms in shorthand. Okay. short form like be, it, do, which, the, to, or to, but, who. Here are some short form for these words. Here are some short form in shorthand. We use a B stroke for B. Okay, we use a T stroke for it. Okay, we use a D stroke for do. We use a which J stroke for which. We use a 1/3 of portion of J stroke for who. Okay, we use a light dot for the on the line. This is called the or the, what you pronounce it. Okay, we use 1/3 of the portion of P for to. Okay, this is 1/3. As you know, this is a full P. We use only this portion. This is 1/3. Okay, for this third portion is called to. Okay, this is to. For to or to, we use dark stroke, same as to, but it is darker than to. Okay, we use 1/3 of the portion of it. For but, this is called but. So do practice. So start practicing with me. This is B, 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 B. It, 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 it. Do, 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 do. Which, 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 which. Who, 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 who. Okay. The or the. Okay. To, please do practice all these short form. That's why you'll be habitual to all of these. It is very important to be habitual to these words, because if you do not habitual to these words, you will always, if you do not habitual to these words, you always lose your confidence in writing. Let's do some practice with me. This is be, it, do, which, who, the, to or to, but, who. Okay, be, it, do, which, who, the, to or to, but, who. Okay, please hide all these words and try to put signs of each of them, so you will be easily learn these words. Like I hide all this, and let's start again. Okay, so start. Be, it, which, who, the, to, but, who. Okay, you will learn this easily. There are no headache in all of them, but just you have to practice at least 2 or 3 times in a day. Or if you have a fast learner, you can learn them phrasing. In phrasing, we can join 2 or more words so that we can write any word very fast. That's why we have to join few words like to the, be the, who the, which the, pay the, paid the, to do, but which. Okay, this is to, this is the. If you have to join to the, we can join these 2 short form. like this, to and the. Okay, if you have to write be the, be the. Okay, who, the. Okay, sorry, who, the, which, the, pay, the. Okay, paid, the, to, do, but, which. Let's write these words again. To the, 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 be the, be the, be the, be the, who the, which the, which the, which the. Okay, pay the, paid the, to do, but which, which, but which. This is the ending of this video. Hope you will like it, and if you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want more videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye, take care.